Wow, it's really hot today, isn't it?
Yeah, much hotter than I expected.
Me too. I should have worn lighter clothes.
Same here. I regret this jacket already.
At least it's sunny.
That's true. I prefer this over rain.
Oh, really? I actually like rainy days.
You do?
Yeah, they feel calm to me.
That's interesting. I usually feel sleepy when it rains,
Me too, sometimes.
but today definitely doesn't feel sleepy.
No, it feels bright and busy.
Yeah, everyone is outside.
Do you live around here?
Yes, not far from here.
That's nice.
What about you?
I'm just visiting today.
Oh, for work or for fun?
A little bit of both.
That sounds good.
It does, but the weather surprised me.
Same. Yesterday was much cooler.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, the weather changes quickly here.
I'm starting to see that.
Do you usually check the weather forecast?
Honestly, not always.
I don't either.
I just look outside and hope for the best.
That's risky.
Very risky.
But today isn't too bad.
No, it's hot, but nice.
Exactly.
I think weather is the easiest thing to talk about.
Yeah, everyone understands it.
And everyone feels it.
That's true.
Sometimes I don't know what to say to people.
Me too.
But talking about the weather helps.
It's a good start.
It feels safe.
Very safe.
So, do you like summer?
I do, but not the extreme heat.
Same here.
What's your favorite season?
Spring. Not too hot, not too cold.
That's a good choice.
What about you?
Fall. I like cooler air.
That sounds nice too.
Yeah, the weather really changes how we feel.
It really does.
Right now, it feels like a good day to talk.
I was thinking the same thing.
You know, weather really affects my mood.
Mine too.
When it's sunny, I feel more awake.
Same. I feel more positive.
But when it's cloudy, I feel a little slow.
Yeah, I feel the same. Like I want to stay inside.
Exactly. Do you remember a day when the weather changed everything?
Hmm. Yes, actually.
Really?
One time, I had a very bad morning. Everything felt wrong. Then it started raining. Soft rain.
And?
I stood by the window, watched the rain, and felt calmer.
That sounds nice.
It was. The weather helped me slow down.
I like that idea.
What about you?
For me, cold mornings are special.
Why cold?
The air feels fresh, clear.
That makes sense.
I like walking outside when it's a little cold.
With a jacket?
Yes, a light jacket.
Not the one you're wearing today.
Definitely not.
So you prefer cooler weather.
Most of the time.
I think weather helps us talk.
How so?
It gives us something easy to share.
Yeah, no pressure. No right or wrong answer. Just feelings.
Exactly.
Sometimes I start conversations only by talking about the weather.
Me too.
And sometimes it turns into a real conversation.
Like this one.
Yes, like this one.
Do you ever complain about the weather?
All the time. Too hot, too cold, too windy, too rainy. But when the weather is perfect, we don't say much.
That's true. We just enjoy it.
Right now, it feels almost perfect.
I agree. Warm, but not uncomfortable. And the sky looks nice.
It does.
Talking like this feels easy.
It really does.
Do you come here often,
Yes, I walk here almost every day.
even when the weather is bad?
Most days, yes.
That's impressive.
Weather helps me decide my routine.
How?
If it's sunny, I walk longer.
That sounds nice.
If it's raining, I walk fast and go home.
I would do the same.
What about you?
Weather changes my energy.
In what way?
On sunny days, I want to do more things.
Like what?
Meet people, go outside, talk more.
And on rainy days?
I stay quiet.
That feels honest.
I think many people feel that way.
I agree.
Do you like talking about the weather?
I do. It feels simple.
Yes. Sometimes conversations don't need to be deep. But sometimes they become deep.
I think weather gives people permission to talk.
That's a nice way to say it.
Do you ever check the sky and change your plans?
All the time.
Me too.
If it's cloudy, I stay home. If it's sunny, I go out.
Weather quietly guides us.
Yes, it really does.
I didn't expect a weather conversation to feel like this.
Me neither.
It feels calm and natural, like a small pause in the day.
I like that feeling.
You know, this started as a weather talk,
Yeah, just a simple comment.
but now it feels like more.
It does.
It feels comfortable.
Very comfortable.
Sometimes the easiest topics are the best ones.
I agree.
I think many people feel nervous about starting conversations, especially in English. But weather is a good start. It's something everyone understands.
Yeah,
You don't need confidence first. Confidence comes later, after you speak, after you listen.
and after you smile.
Yes,
I'm glad we talked today.
me too.
This conversation made my day better.
Mine too.
And it all started with the weather.
That's kind of nice.
Very nice. If someone listening feels shy about starting a conversation, I'd tell them this. Go ahead. Just say something simple, like talking about the weather. It's enough.
More than enough.
Because connection starts small and grows naturally.
Just like this. And if you enjoyed listening to this easy, natural English conversation, please subscribe to English Ear Training for more simple, real-life English conversations that help you speak calmly, clearly, and with confidence every day.